Today I am going to discuss about essays on myself. That means আমার নিজের জীবন সম্পর্কে আমি বলবো. Okay? So let's get started. Like every day, this is your Ramprasad sir and we will be enjoying the class of myself. Okay. So what is myself? Let's know what is myself. Now actually we are going to write a paragraph about myself. That means we shall write few lines on myself. আমরা আমাদের নিজেদের সম্পর্কে দু চারটে লাইন এখানে লিখব. That means we have to describe ourselves. You have to describe yourself. আমরা আমাদের নিজেদের কথা বলবো, তোমরা তোমাদের নিজেদের কথাই বলবে. Okay? So what is myself? That is the story. What's our story? What's your story? That means the story of the person who is writing. এটা যে লিখছে তারই গল্প, তার জীবনের যা ঘটনা সেগুলোই সে লিখবে. Now let's come. How to write myself? আমরা এই myself এসেটা কিভাবে লিখব? Let's see. There are certain rules to write about myself. Please remember, this is for the primary classes, not for the higher classes. So we will try to learn very simple things. Okay? আমরা খুব সাধারণভাবে শিখব. So first of all, write about your name and about your family. Okay? We have to write about my name, my father's name, and rest of the family likewise. Not everything. Write about your friends, about your schools. Write about your likes and dislikes. তোমার যা পছন্দ হয়, তুমি যা অপছন্দ করো, সেগুলো সবই. And one final note, love wishes for friends and family also may be there. Okay? Some more tips. While you are writing about myself, you should remember these things. You can write random weird facts. Weird facts, that means adbhut. So we may write about some strange facts also because no one is going to judge you. কেউ তোমার সম্পর্কে কিছু জাজ করতে যাচ্ছে না, তুমি তোমার মতো লিখে দাও না. Try to write things which make you different and be a different person. Okay? Everyone has many rich experiences in their lives. প্রত্যেকেরই জীবনে অনেক বড় বড় ঘটনা থাকে, সুন্দর সুন্দর ঘটনা থাকে. You can write about them. তোমরা ওগুলো লিখতে পারো. Be yourself. যা লিখবে নিজের মতো করেই লেখো, নিজের ঘটনাই লেখো. Okay? And you will write the best essay. যদি এই নিজের ঘটনাগুলোই লেখো তাহলে দেখবে তুমি একটা সব থেকে সুন্দর এসে লিখে ফেলছো. Write about all the things that make you happy and feel content. That means যা লিখে তুমি আনন্দ পাবে এবং যা লিখে তুমি পরিতৃপ্তি পাবে, খুশি হবে তোমার, তুমি সেগুলোই লেখো. ওকে? Your favorite hobby, your passions, your favorite games, all may be there. You may also include the names of your schools, your friends, everything. You may also include your study habits. When do you study? What do you like to study? What is your favorite subject? Everything may be there. Do not escape anything. Okay? Now we are going to write 10 lines. Okay? Only 10 lines. 10 lines about myself. So in the writing of myself, there may be greetings, some greetings. আমরা অভ্যর্থনা করে শুরু করতে পারি. Okay, there may be nice to meet you too, good morning, afternoon. When we are going to introduce myself, I must start like this. Good morning, friends. Good morning, students. Like this, okay? Hello, how are you? তোমরা সবাই কেমন আছো? I am fine, thank you. So all this may be included in myself. Okay. Now I am giving you a short paragraph on myself, and it's reported on our student Aditya Bhomik. I like him, so I have written one paragraph on him. Okay, so don't miss, and everyone should try to do this type of paragraph by yourself. Okay, my name is Aditya Bhomik and I am 7 years old. Okay, Aditya বলছে এখানে। I study in WebDC Primary School in 2nd standard. My father's name is Mr. Shyamal Bhomik and my mother's name is, okay, you should write your mother's name also, and you may leave also, no problem. I have one younger sister and who studies in the 1st standard in the same school. যদি ভাই বোন না থাকে, I have no brother or sister. I like watching cartoons and my favorite cartoon character is Doraemon. Doraemon না হয়ে ছোটা ভীম হতে পারে, ছুটকি হতে পারে, anything you like. I also like playing outdoor games and I love to play cricket with my friends. এখানে outdoor games এর মধ্যে ক্রিকেট হতে পারে, ফুটবল হতে পারে, ব্যাডমিন্টন হতে পারে, anything you like. I am a very sincere and obedient boy and follow all the instructions from my parents and teachers. আমার শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকারা আমাকে যা instructions দেন আমি সেগুলোকে সব ফলো করি. I regularly complete my homework and never get late to school or online classes. আমি অনলাইন ক্লাস, আমার স্কুলে যাওয়া সবকিছু আমি সময় মতন করি. I always pay respect to my elders and strictly follow their advice. আমার বড়রা যা আমাকে বলেন আমি সেগুলো সব সুন্দর করে শুনি. I always try to help my mother and father by keeping all the toys at right place after playing with. সবকিছু খেলা টেলার পর আমার জিনিসপত্র যেখানে থাকে বা পড়ার পরেও আমি যা কিছু জিনিসপত্র ব্যবহার করি সেগুলোকে আমি আমার জায়গাতে সুন্দর করে রেখে দিই. ওকে, here I have given another example. This is demo only. You have to change and you have to write your own. You have to practice. Okay? These are the examples only. Now, I have given you a blank format. You have to practice in this way. My name is, I live in, I am from, I was born in, আমি এখানে জন্মেছিলাম, I am married or non-married, everything if they are bigger. My job is, my favorite color is, my dream means I want to be that type. My dream is to be a teacher. My hobbies আমার শখ, my hobbies are gardening, my hobbies are collecting stamps. These all are maybe your hobbies. There is another simple exercise for you. Everybody has to do this and send it to me through our WhatsApp or YouTube comment box. Okay? Don't forget to send me. And if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay? And to share also. যদি চ্যানেলের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও.